Good day, ma'am. We are from IBM 3. I'm Aijen M. Corino with my group mates, Cariel B. Emnase, and Laika, Eliza Magsakay, and Junalyn T. Panyales, and Gina Rose Villazorda.
This video will be explaining some key microeconomic concepts using simple business example, a milk tea shop.
Microeconomics is a study of how individuals and small businesses make decisions about using limited resources, like how sellers set prices or how consumers decide what to buy.
We'll talk about utility, cost, production, profit, and factors of production in a way that's very simple and relatable.
So sit back, relax, and let's learn together. Tara na!
Utility means the satisfaction or happiness we get when we consume product. So, for example, the first sip of milk tea feels amazing, like grabby ka, refreshing, but as you drink more, your satisfaction goes down.
Explicit costs are actually the money that you spend, like rent, ingredients, and salaries. Implicit costs are the hidden or opportunity costs. It is the thing that you give up to run your business. So if the owner spends time on managing the milk tea shop instead of working another job, that lost salary is an implicit cost. Kaya kung magnegosyo ka, dili lang kwarta ang imong gasto, kundi pati imong oras o effort.
For the milk tea shop, the expenses are divided into fixed costs and variable costs. Fixed costs are the expenses that stay the same no matter how many cups will be sold. For example, the monthly rent. The monthly rent will always stay the same even if makabaligya tag 10 cups or 100 cups. And also, the business permits. Even though daghan kay taghalin, the business permits will always be the same. On the other hand, variable costs. Variable costs change depending on how much we produce. If many customers will buy milk tea today, mas daghan pod ang atong magastos sa milk, sugar, tea leaves, and pearls, and also straws. Pero if gamay ra sad ang atong magasto. So in short, fixed cost stays constant, while variable costs grow or shrink depending on sales.
Production means how business uses resources like workers and tools to make the product. Get in each other's way, and that's the law of diminishing returns. Profit is what's left after subtracting costs from total revenue. For example, our milk tea shop earns 10,000 and expense 6,000. So, ang iyang nabilin is 4,000 and that's the profit.
The factors of production are land. This is where your business stands. The second one is the labor, the workers preparing the milk tea. The third one is capital, the tools, tables, and blender. And the fourth one is entrepreneurship, the owner's idea and leadership. Last but not the least is technology, the apps or system that the business use.
Now, let's all apply all the concepts to our milk tea shop.
So the owner uses land for spaces, labors for workers, and of course, capital for tools.
The shop has fixed costs like rent and variable costs like ingredients.
Its explicit costs are rent, sugar, and salaries. Its implicit cost is the owner's time.
Customers enjoys the first cup most, and that's diminishing marginal utility. And when total revenue is higher than the total cost, that is profit.
So, mao na siya how microeconomics concept connect in our real-world businesses. Summary, microeconomics help us to understand how small businesses make smart decisions.
We learned that utility affects the customer satisfaction.
How cost and production determine profit.
And how the factors of production works together.
Thank you for watching. We hope you learned something new.